Okay, so we are going to learn about balancing equations. (101). Okay, could you read out the problem? Just ignore the numbers in front.
Alright, it's CO2 plus lithium, which is Li, and then OH, yields lithium 2, CO3 plus H2O.
Okay, so this is our equation, and what we have to do is we have to balance it. And how we're going to do that is first, okay, marker on my finger. What color do you want to use? Okay, pink. Okay, so actually we need a darker color. Let's go with red. Okay, so
I don't like red.
Okay, well first of all, let's go.
I want purple.
Not right now. Okay, so first of all, we're going to write out all of the elements that we have. So we have carbon, we have oxygen,
Lithium and hydrogen.
And we're going to write that on one side of the equation, and we're going to rewrite it on the other side of the equation. And then we are going to name how many, the number, what do you call it? What do you call that? Okay, we're just going to put the subscripts now, what's next to the elements. So next to carbon, we only have one atom of carbon, and you are, okay, so for carbon we have 1. For oxygen, because there's 2 over here and 1 right there, that makes 3. For lithium we have 1, and for hydrogen we have 1. On the other side, carbon has 1, oxygen has 4, lithium has 2, and hydrogen has 2. Now, as you can see, these are not balanced. These numbers are not the same on both sides. So, even though it looks kind of backwards on here, it's okay. So what we need to do, we need to add the coefficients. Okay. And for our coefficients, okay, and my face is showing, and I look like, okay, so for our coefficients, as you can see, hydrogen has more on this side than it does on this side. So what are we going to do?
Have to balance. Okay, so, alright.
Because hydrogen has more on this side, or lithium has more on this side, put a 2 in front of
So you have to balance it out. Both lithium and oxygen.
No, and hydrogen.
Well, and hydrogen are there too. So since we put a 2 in front of lithium on this side, that makes it 2. And then oxygen has...
Although they're no longer with us, they've left something behind, something that makes us laugh or cry or maybe just a
4.
So to those friends who are
And then
Hydrogen has 2.
Yeah.
And
now we're balanced.
because we put the 2 in front of the LiOH.
And since we did that, we had to multiply all the elements that are behind it by the 2, and they get a subscript of 2.
And we are balanced. Okay, time for another one. One more.
I want to write this one.
Okay. Oops. This equation is. Okay. Wait. Is that the one I wanted to do? Yeah. Let's do. Okay. Let's do this one. CO2. Plus 6H2O. Oh shoot, I messed up.
There's no 6.
Yeah, there is no 6. Sorry. This is the other page. Okay, just right on the back. Sorry. Okay, CO2. Plus H2O. Yields C6. H12, O6, plus 6O2. Okay. Now we are going to balance this by writing out all of the elements again.
We
So
have carbon, we have oxygen, and we have hydrogen on the first side. And then we have carbon, oxygen, and hydrogen on the other side. And on this side of the first side of the equation, oxygen has 2, and there's another one over here that doesn't have a subscript but has an understood 1. So we have 3 for oxygen. Carbon also has the understood 1. And hydrogen has, the H has a 2 for a subscript, so it has 2. And then on the other side, carbon has 6. Hydrogen has 12. And oxygen has 12 as well.
7-minute video. This is only supposed to be 2 minutes.
We're almost done. Alright. So as you see, we have it all added up. Now we have to balance. So we have to put a...
We do balancing. Okay, so... Well, you got your balancing last time. Okay, so we are going to put... Let's try putting... Since carbon over here is 6, we're going to put a 6 in front of the CO... In front of the CO2 here. And that would... So we're putting it in front of the CO2. That would make carbon have 6 and oxygen have 12. Well, yeah. Okay. Wait, sorry. 8. Sorry, 13. That's right. Okay. And then... Okay, that's right.
This part was Tracy.
Okay, and then... Sorry, we're watching...
The Grammys.
The Oscars.
The Oscars.
Okay, and then we're going to go over to this side. Why did you put 602? Okay, well this is supposed to be...
You told me to put 602. I put 602.
I didn't mean to do that, sorry.
Well, that's her fault.
Okay, anyway, okay, so we're going to put a 602 there. We're going to put a 6 in front of the O2 to give...
Okay, well then, that was only supposed to be...
8. This was supposed
2.
to... This was supposed to be 8.
Right.
6, 7, 8.
So, hang on. We'll go back and put 8 there. And then now.
And then we're going to cross it out, and that turns it into 12. And then we are going to come back over here and put a 6 in front of the H2O to give that a 12, so it matches up with the 12 on the other side. Excuse me.
Bless you.
And then that would change that oxygen to 18 on this side. And then we go back to the other side. And how did that get 18? Sorry, that oxygen was supposed to have 18. Okay, and then our equation is balanced.
Balanced.
Thank you.
I hope
Sorry.
you enjoyed it.
Okay.
Bye.